How to repair a dent. This video will show you how to repair a dent on a solid wood tabletop. First, clean the surface with a soft, dry cloth. Identify the dent you want to repair. Make sure the wood is not cracked on the dented area. You will need the following: a cleaning cloth, a glass of water, paper towels, and a clothing iron. First, place some water on the dented spot. Wait a few seconds until the wood has absorbed the water. Place a paper towel on the damp, dented spot. Iron the damp paper at hot temperature. The humidity and heat will smooth the wood. Repeat if necessary until the wood has taken back its original shape. Remove the paper towel and dry the area with a clean cloth. For a more uniform finish, you can sand and oil your table as instructed in the video Care Instructions Oak Oiled Ethnicraft products.